Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I'm going to be doing a review of my new Wicker Capucines BB. I'm going to be doing mod shots, sharing what fits, and telling you my thoughts on the bag. Before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I would love it if you would just take one moment and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you enjoyed that video, a thumbs up. So let's get right into this. I got this bag, I think it was early June or late May. I've already forgot. Well, anyways, I will link the unboxing video down below. So that'll tell you when I got it. But how it came about was my Louis Vuitton Loop Hobo. It ended up having waves down the front of it, and they said that I could return it. So I did return it, and that's why I started looking for this. I would have never found this because I wasn't looking to purchase anything at that particular moment. And I saw this one online that it was coming out, and I was able to get in touch with my sales associate, and she was able to get this for me. They are apparently very, very hard to come by, and I'm so excited I got this one. When I saw Dale from Dale's Addiction unbox hers last year, I was just like, I need that bag. It was so, so beautiful. And I will link her channel down below as well. Check her out. She is lovely. So her bag is slightly different than mine. The top has a braided handle, and I believe this part is gold. So on my bag it is gold with the tan leather, and it is just the smooth leather on the top. So you do have the LV there, and if you want to, you can take this out. I don't think it works very well on this one like it does on the Tyrolean one. It does have the flower if you wanted to wear it that way, but see how it sticks out? I just don't think it works quite as well. The back has these studs, and it is that woven wicker material, and the bottom has two strips of leather with feet. So let's get into the inside of the bag. Well, first let me share the strap with you. So the strap is very long, and it is very adjustable. The piece that holds the end in place is not movable. It is stitched. So while I am talking about the strap, I am going to insert mod shots. So the first picture that I am inserting is the strap on the shortest length, and that is too long for me to be a shoulder bag. That just way too long. I am 5'6" for reference. The second one, I cannot remember. I think I'm doing handheld or on the crook of the arm, and because I filmed these with another video because the room was clean. When you get to filming videos, the bed gets stuff on it. So and then I show it on the longest setting, cross body. No, I don't think it looks good crossbody at all. The strap that comes with it, the leather, is so beautiful and so soft, and I do not know what kind of leather this is. A few of you had asked me that, and I don't know, and I keep forgetting to reach out to my sales associate to ask, but I do like that it comes with a strap, so I have carried it with the strap just dangling off of it, because if you need to go to the restroom or to be hands-free for a minute, you know, it's no big deal. But does it look cute crossbody to go out and about? I don't think so. It's like a picnic bag, and it's very wide. It sticks out from the body, and I think it really looks better handheld or in the crook of the arm. So let's get into the interior of the bag, and I will show you that. So this one is made in Italy. Not sure if that will show up or not. And I do have organizers in here, which I'll take out so you can see the bag. And so it is all leather lined in that beautiful brown leather. And in the very center, there is a zipped compartment, and that is it. There is no other organization in the bag. So that's all you've got there. So let me turn the camera around and let's see what fits in the bag, and then I will share my final thoughts. Okay, so I can tell you that this one does not fit even close to the amount of the one I have in the Tyrolean leather. So, and I'm actually have never carried my keys with it. So let's see how that works. So the usual things, except for instead of my mini pochette, I am using a Longchamp, and I just want to show you that it is full so that you know it's not flat. This is empty, but of course that makes no difference. You're just going to put cards in there. Bastia, sunglasses, keys, compact gum, tissue, phone, and hand sanitizer. So let's scooch this over to the side so we can get the bag here. Okay, it is such a beautiful, beautiful bag, isn't it? It's so pretty. All right, keep scooting stuff. Okay, so let's open it up. Now, for this one, I do have, as I said, an organizer, and you clearly can't see it because I got the same color. My Tyrolean leather one, it has a beautiful hot pink lining, and I have no idea how I did it, but there's a scratch, which I assume is probably from my ring. So let's see. Oh, I have not ever tried. I don't want to stick that hand in there. I'm still, that finger is still not right. Okay, there's totally empty. I have never used that little pocket. So let's see what we can get in here. So let's start with a phone and put that there in the back, and then card holder. And as you can see, it's already starting to get tight there. Like it doesn't take much with this bag. The little cosmetics pouch right there. Let's see if we can get the Bastia down in this zippered part. Yes, okay, that goes. So there we go. And then need my keys so I can drive. So far I've brought this out on dates where I don't have to drive. So there's that. And I have allergies. There's just no avoiding. I've got to slam tissues down in some way. Let's see if that fits. It does. And then let's do the compact. And let's see if I can get the gum in here next to the card holder. I can. And these are very small, so I can just slip that in behind. This is tight. It's a very tight fit. And then the sunglasses can just go on the top there. It is quite full, as you can see. Let's get that down. That actually, there we go. Yeah. And it really isn't as heavy as I thought it was going to be. I really did. Pull this up a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Yeah. So it does fit what I need to carry, but my two things that I left out are my wallet and my mini pochette, but it's worth it to downsize. It's so gorgeous. Okay, so my final thoughts. I'm thrilled. I am thrilled. I am still absolutely over the moon. I absolutely love this. I was really shocked to get offered a gold Hermes right after getting this bag because they are quite similar in color, but I think they're so incredibly different, of course, with the wicker, and it's such a beautiful neutral color. I don't mind that I have to downsize. I have to downsize for a lot of my bags. It is one of the most unique bags in my collection by far. A question that I do get asked a lot is between this one and my medium Lady Raffia Dior, which one is easier to use? The Lady, 1000% the Lady. It has a similar opening, it has a flap opening, but there's no divider on the inside, and the Raffia has give. There's no give to this. Like I said, if you've ever felt a picnic basket, you know what the material feels like. But it is a stunner. I have used it several times this summer, many times already, and for not having it that long, and I think this is something that I will keep in my collection forever. It's just really, really beautiful and really, really unique. And I did not show you the little rings around it. They're leather with little gold, whatever you would call them, balls. I can't come up with technical names today. I'm hungry and I need to go eat lunch, but I hope this was helpful, and if you want one, I hope you can get your hands on one. I searched after Dale's video, the pre-love market high and low, and never found one of them coming up, but that doesn't mean that they won't. And when I found this one, I was like, yes, 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 and I still can't believe I was able to get it. So I hope that was helpful. I think I already said that. I need to go eat. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.